Zoram People's Movement, Mizoram's opposition party, has tied up with opposition Congress in at least 35 village councils in the run-up to the rural and local body polls. Polling for 558 village council in 9 district and 83 local council within the Aizawl municipal area will be held on August 27th. Here's a report.
Mizoram's main opposition party, Zoram People's Movement, has tied up with opposition Congress in at least 35 village councils in the run-up to the rural and local body polls, a Congress leader said on 16 August Sunday. The Congress leader said that the alliance was locally based and not met at the party headquarters level. He said that each unit or village council was given free hand to be tied up with any party according to its convenience. Meanwhile, ruling Mizo National Front Vice President Lalten Laina launched a hitting attack on ZPM for allegedly backtracking from its earlier promise. Quoting ZPM Secretary General K. Sabdanga, the MNF leader said the opposition had earlier sworn to fight a coming village council and local polls alone. He also said that the ZPM, which claimed to have received strong public support, has not only tied up with the Congress in 35 village councils but failed to contest in 16 village councils. Congress spokesperson Dr. Laliang Chunga accused the ruling MNF of misusing state's flagship program Socio-Economic Development Policy to wow voters. Campaign for the upcoming village and local council polls is gaining momentum amidst the spread of coronavirus. There are 2,454 seats in village councils, of which 630 are reserved for women, while the total number of seats in local councils is 545, including 148 seats reserved for women. Counting of votes will be undertaken on August 27 as soon as polling is over. According to the State Election Commission Secretary Teresa Vallarshura, a total of 8,491 candidates, including 2,102 women, are in the fray for both the polls. She said that 6,926 candidates, including 1,685 women, are in the fray for village council polls, while a total of 1,565 candidates, including 415 women for reserved seats, are up for the local council polls. The ruling MNF has fielded 2,438 candidates for the 558 village councils, while main opposition Zoram People's Movement fielded 1,197 candidates. Congress has fielded 2,075 candidates, BJP 298, Mar People's Convention 6, Mizoram People's Conference and National People's Party have fielded 2 candidates each, she said. There are 908 independent candidates for the upcoming rural polls. As for local council polls, Vallarshura said MNF has the highest number of candidates of 540, followed by Congress at 533. ZPM has fielded 432, MPC 5, and there are 55 independent candidates up for the coming local body polls, she said. BJP and HPC have not fielded any candidates in the local council polls. MNF and Congress have already won 10 to 2 village council polls unopposed respectively. Polling for 558 village councils in 9 districts and 83 local councils within Aizawl municipal area will be held on August 27th. Bureau Report.